Hey everybody, I'm doing some arms today, doing a bicep workout. I don't always do the same bicep workout, I change it up every time I go. Today I'm at Good Shepherd and I'm starting out with cable curls. This was a reverse wide grip. Now I'm going to go into standard wide grip curls. And I generally try and get more than one grip just to make sure I get all of the bicep, inner, outer, both heads. Here's the narrow grip. This is with the easy bar. Now I'm going straight into rope. Move closer to make it a little harder, get a better range of motion. Alright, this is backwards. I'm going to get more, even greater range of motion this way. Slow down, take your time, you don't have to rush. When it starts getting hard, I like to press my rope together to give myself some leverage to actually curl with. Alright, this is preacher seat cable curls. I'm still using the easy bar. You can use straight bar, cable, rope, whatever. I like the easy bar because I can get different angles on my bicep. Again, it's just, for me, I can concentrate on inner and outer of the muscle easier with the easy bar. Going a little heavier now with the weight. Now I'm doing my finisher. It's one arm cable rows or cable curls, single arm. Now normally when I'm at the top, I will sometimes twist my wrist to get just a movement out of my bicep to make sure everything's firing like it should. Was the twist, and again. And another set. Now that's part of my bicep routine. Like I said, normally I'll change it up. I'll probably train biceps once a week. Maybe throw in some another day, just a partial. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. See you later.